Welcome to your bedtime yoga flow. Let's begin seated, sitting tall on your bed. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose, filling in the lungs. Hold for a moment and exhale gently through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Let your breath guide you inward. You made it through today. Now it's time to let go. Gently come into child's pose. Bring your knees wide apart on the bed, your big toes touching. Slowly lower your chest, reach your arms forward, and let your forehead rest gently on the bed or a pillow. Take a deep inhale. Feel the breath expand across your back. Exhale slowly. And allow your hips to sink deeper into the mattress. Let your shoulders soften. Let gravity support you. There's nothing to do here, but just breathe. From child's pose, gently move into frog pose. Begin to widen your knees even more. Slowly slide your lower legs out so your ankles stay behind your knees. Let your chest lower down towards the bed and rest your forearms in front of you. Your hips might float above the bed, and that's okay. There's no need to go deep. Inhale gently through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth. Feel your hips begin to release. Let it all go. Slowly bring your knees together. Now extend your left arm straight out to the side, palm down on the bed. Bend your right arm slightly for comfort and bend your right knee. Begin to roll your right hip and shoulder open, allowing your right foot to reach behind you towards the floor. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long breath out through your mouth. Let your body soften. Let the tension melt away. Gently return to your belly. Now bend your left arm slightly for comfort and bend your left knee. Gently begin to roll your left hip and shoulder open, allowing your left foot to reach behind you towards the floor. Only go as far as it feels good. Take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let the breath guide you. Let your body release anything it's ready to let go of. Now gently roll onto your back, getting ready for spinal twist. Extend your left leg long on the bed, bend your right knee, and hug it into your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly guide your right knee across your body to the left. Let your right arm extend out to the side, palm facing up. Let your left hand rest gently on your knee or beside you. Keep your gaze soft. Look to the right if it feels good. Inhale. Feel the stretch through your spine. Exhale. Allow your body to release tension. Gently bring your right knee back to center and extend it long on the bed. Now bend your left knee and hug it into your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, guide your left knee across your body to the right. Let your left arm extend out to the side, palm facing up. Rest your right hand on your left knee or by your side. Gaze softly to the left. Inhale. Feel your spine gently twisting. Exhale. Come back to center. Bend your knees and bring them up towards your chest. Grab the outside of your feet or your ankles, whatever is reachable for you. Let your knees open wide, moving towards your armpit. Your feet can press upward or just rest softly. Inhale. Feel the belly rise. Exhale. Let your lower back melt into the bed. Release your feet and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open in reclined butterfly. Rest your hand on your belly or heart. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Let yourself melt into the bed. Let the quiet hold you. As you lie here, let yourself be proud for showing up for yourself, for choosing rest, for letting go. You did enough today. Now it's time to surrender. From my bed to yours. Good night, beautiful soul. Sleep deeply. You're loved. You're safe. And you're exactly where you need to be. Namaste.